Tip number one for changing careers. This is going to be figuring out the titles that you're actually going to search for. This is a bit of like new industry learnings. No matter where you are in your shift, at some point you decided that you want something different. You figured out that it's going to be pretty different. And every single job has a number of titles that could be applied to it. So this step is about figuring those out. For this video, we're going to do software engineering as our example shift, and the two things we're looking for here is type and level. If software engineer is kind of our umbrella title, that could also be software developer, full stack developer, application developer, front end, back end developer, and frankly, a lot more. That's the job type. Now the level is of course how experienced you are. You might not be coming in as a junior. Maybe you're a mid-level, senior, or coming over from a different lead position. All those different job types and job levels are search terms, and you want to make sure that you're searching for as many different things as possible under that main title umbrella. Tip number two, and this can kind of go in order as like step number two, is figuring out the key responsibilities of that job. Now, if you're going into a new career, obviously you probably have some idea, think or know that you're gonna like it, can do it. So head to whatever job board you use for your industry, keeping with software engineering as our example, LinkedIn is totally fine here, and start clicking through job descriptions. Head down to the responsibilities, or this might also be called something like day-to-day, and actually sit there and read this top to bottom for as many as you can. Doing this is how you're actually going to see beyond like surface level and perception what those responsibilities are, how the same job can differ from company to company, and inform things like the hard skills necessary for the role and the soft skills that will help with the role. Which, tip in step number three, is figuring out the skills necessary for that role. Now this is kind of twofold. So obviously you want to figure out the skills necessary for the role in case there's anything new that you have to learn. But specifically talking here for this video, you want to figure out the skills for the role so you can incorporate them into a new version of your resume. How you're going to find these is, again, go to the job board for your industry, look at the job descriptions, maybe even just the same ones from before, and now you're just looking at the skills section. Sometimes this is going to be a dedicated section, sometimes it's kind of worked into the qualification section. But a bonus tip here, if you browse using the Teal Chrome extension, when you click on a job, the tool automatically pulls the top 5 skills for you, saving you some time for manual searching. Now at this point, you know the titles you're looking for, day-to-day expectations, and skills necessary for your resume. Now you can move forward in kind of the normal steps of the job search. Find a job to apply to and start working on your resume. And if you're curious on how to customize your resume to better match a job description and get more interviews, definitely check out this video right here by clicking on the card in the top right corner. Thanks for watching. Good luck in your search. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.